Hi everyone, my name is Rishik. Today is the 12th of January 2024 and I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Tesla. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. Again, let's just reset the chart view here. Reset it so it's easier to see. Okay. Now, monthly charts for Tesla, have been very bullish, and I had called this, by the way, all the way back here, and we have been in this uptrend ever since. This is completely as expected. We can see the last month was very bullish, but this huge upper candle indicates a lot of things. Well, this run-up happened because of Donald Trump's election victory, and then it crashed back down for a numerous amount of reasons. And in January, again, we're in this little indecisive phase. However, the MACD and RSI are still giving bullish indications. And as such, the longer-term view is definitely bullish for Tesla, especially with upcoming prospects. And with Elon Musk and Trump's official, inauguration this week, Tesla price should definitely be boosted up for these reasons. Again, weekly charts, we can see the price has been correcting for the past few weeks, and this was the huge run-up that we had, and then the price crashed back down. Again, MACD is still bullish. However, we see the histogram is waning a little bit, although that's still not a signal. We can expect a signal when there's a crossover here, as that will be indicated on the histogram, because we can see that the histogram has waned here and then picked back up. RSI is very bullish. However, we did have this, we went into the overbought zone and RSI came back down, which is actually negative. And typically what this means is it reverts to around the middle point. So maybe we are due for a long-term correction, but especially in the short term, this is not going to be the case. And that's what is driven by the upcoming news that's coming up for Tesla. Again, daily charts, here we can see we almost had this double top pattern, but we actually did. This broke out here, but then we had a profit, and then again, this price went up quite heavily. And we're kind of in an erratic part of the price right now, price action. However, the MACD is bearish along with the RSI, and it has been. So you would have made a good amount of money if you had just stuck to the signal. And I've been telling us for a while that Tesla's bearish. However, we see that the histogram is a little bit iffy right now. And again, with upcoming news, it is expected in the short to intermediate term for sure that Tesla picks back up. This week, we'll buy Tesla when it crosses 414 and sells when it falls below 390. Yeah, with a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither are hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend are bullish. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.